Now let's go for a simple example. Now we have to evaluate 10c and on the base it is written 4. Okay. So now this we can write it 10 factorial upon 4 factorial 10 minus 4 factorial. Now what we have used? NCR, that is n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Now let's solve it. 10 factorial upon 4 factorial times 6 factorial. Now which is more? 6. Okay. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. We will leave 6 here. Okay. Now 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 6 factorial. Now here 6 factorial and 6 factorial cancels, and then we can cancel the remaining term with 8, 3 with 3. Now what is left? We are left with 210. Hence 10C4 is equal to 210. This is the answer.